Yes, composite like carbon fiber and glass fiber materials can be used in drones applications, particularly when high strength-to-weight ratios are required. However, these materials often come with trade-offs. They can restrict the design freedom due to the manufacturing constraints. They increase production costs, and they also slow down the pace of design iterations. In contrast, HP multi-jet fusion offers significant advantages for drones development because it enables greater design flexibility. It allows engineers to create complex, lightweight geometries that are difficult or even impossible to achieve with traditional composite manufacturing methods. And additionally, HP multi-jet fusion supports rapid prototyping and short production cycles, which are ideal for iterative design processes and for accelerating all in all the time to market, which in this segment is critical. Finally, the choice depends on the specific performance and production requirements of the drone application itself, but HP provides a compelling alternative when agility, complexity, and cost efficiency are key considerations.